from the Issada education team. I'm really excited to be here today as I'm going to be talking to you about the Microneedle Dermal Roller by Issada. If you haven't already got your hands on this one, this is the #1 beauty tool that you must have in your cupboard. So here it is. It's made up of 540 tiny little micro needles that can actually penetrate the skin at a depth of 0.5 millimeters. This allows for better product penetration of your serums. So today I'm going to be pairing it with my favorite Issada serum, which is the collagen support serum. As I am verging on nearly 40, I am starting to be a little bit more concerned with the collagen elastin within my skin. So today I'm going to focus on my forehead, in through my frown lines, and also around through my crow's feet as well. Now, this roller isn't just for anti-aging, it is for all skin types. Any skins that are concerned with wanting to retexturize the skin, maybe perhaps you've got a little bit of scarring, or you just wanting to help even out some skin tone, this absolutely can do it. And you can pair it with any one of your Issada serums, whether it be your even tone. We also recommend the 0.5% in the retinol. We've also got the amazing all-rounder hyaluronic acid as well. Okay, so how to use it? It's really simple and easy to use. We do recommend that you use it 2 to 3 times a week. And the direction that we're going to do is vertically, horizontally, and then going over diagonally. So anywhere between 3 to 6 passes, depending on your skin type, and we can go from there. So I've already applied the collagen support serum to my skin, so I can feel it's feeling quite nice and dewy at the moment. So I'm going to start with the forehead, and I'm going to slowly roll it up and down with minimal pressure, just gently passing over the skin, allowing the needle to do the work for me. So I've gone vertically, now I'm going to take it horizontally. It feels great, like I can feel the stimulation, I can feel that the blood's gonna start to raise to the surface of the skin, and I know that's gonna allow for better product penetration. You may get a little bit of mild redness and erythema on the skin, and that's okay. We don't wanna see any blood coming out of the skin. Okay, and I'm just gonna work onto the other side. Horizontally up the skin, going vertically as well. It's a really simple and easy, effective tool to use. And it's the perfect complementary treatment to any professional treatments that you may be having in clinic or in salon. This is the perfect home care that you can take home and continue the results at home. Okay, so I've done my forehead. Now I'm going to focus on my crow's feet, okay? So I can either start by going vertically, going across horizontally, really going nice and close, making sure I'm working those areas of concern, helping to stimulate that collagen elastin in the area. And what this micro roller is actually doing is creating a controlled response to healing. I just love it. It's one of my favorite things to do from home. Great, I'm just gonna focus a little bit more here on my frown line. And then I'm going to work on my cheek area. So vertically, getting a really good coverage, making sure I'm not missing any areas. So again, depending on your concern would depend on what serum you're going to use. I also suffer from a bit of pigmentation as well, so I do like to use the even tone, as well as the retinol. So I do give it a bit of a shake up throughout the week. My main go-to being the collagen support serum. Now, if you're unsure of what serum to use, you can always go to issada.com and find your closest stockist, and they'll be able to give you the consultation and the correct prescription in order to identify which serum will work best with you with the dermal roller. But as I mentioned in the beginning, the dermal roller is for most skin types. Most people can use this in order to achieve greater results with their home care, but also to maximize any treatments that they may be having in salon or in clinic. Now you can take this down onto the neck and décolletage today as well, just following the same technique, vertical, horizontal, and diagonally. Today, for the purpose of the demonstration, I'll just be doing the face. Okay, and also going to work through my chin area. I also forgot to mention this dermal roller is fantastic for anyone that suffers from open pores because it can help to refine. Okay, going across. And you can also do it over the lips, which I think is great. There's no pain, it's completely tolerable. Okay, perfect. So there you have it. I've done a full face of micro needle rollering in approximately, under 5 minutes. It's easy to use, simple, it's effective, and it's guaranteed to give you more improved benefits. If you've got any questions, you can go to issada.com or you can go to your nearest stockist and they'll be able to help you there. Thanks so much for joining, and I hope to see you next time.